Hello guys, welcome. Yeah, we're preparing the guan. I don't know, we call it fox. I told you guys in the other video that you guys should let me know the name in English, you know. We got our homeboy here, he's the one preparing the guan. Ok, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je suis en train de l'épaissir le varan, l'iguane.
L'iguane.
C'est le varan. Comme le varan là était enceinte, maintenant on pensait que c'était un mâle.
Oui.
Donc c'est pas le mâle, c'est la femelle.
Oui.
On a pris entre les œufs. Et ici, voilà la graisse.
Oui.
Son huile qui est dans son ventre, c'est ça là.
La graisse là.
La graisse là. Cette graisse soigne beaucoup de choses.
D'accord.
En même temps, tu as des abcès au corps, tu n'as plus jamais souffert des abcès.
D'accord. Okay, what he's saying, guys, he said that this that he got right here is the fat.
Ouais.
That's the fat of his body. That's the fat. This
Voilà,
right here.
la graisse que je laisse dans le sachet. Maintenant ici, ce sont ses œufs. Ce sont ses enfants qui sont à l'intérieur.
Parce qu'on peut manger ça.
Voilà.
Parce qu'on peut manger ça comme ça.
Non, on peut le bouillir.
On ne peut pas manger ça comme ça.
On peut manger ça, mais il faudrait que, avant de faire cuire ça,
Oui.
il bout d'abord avec son eau.
D'accord.
Je
Bon.
je chauffe d'abord de l'eau.
Oui.
Alors, quand je chauffe de l'eau, il faudrait que la première peau là,
Oui.
elle quitte.
Oui.
Dès que la première peau est quittée,
Oui.
maintenant, je mets dans la marmite,
Oui.
je ne mets pas d'abord l'huile.
Oui.
Je bout d'abord avec son propre eau.
D'accord.
Quand son propre eau est fini,
Oui.
maintenant j'assaisonne maintenant.
Oui.
Je mets tous les compartiments,
Oui.
oignons, cubes, tout maintenant.
Oui.
Après maintenant, quand c'est fini,
Oui.
je balance maintenant l'huile.
D'accord.
Hein?
D'accord.
Voilà. Mais
Bon.
quand on mange le varan, on ne pèse pas sa vessie.
Ok.
Si tu pèses ta vessie, tu peux manger le varan.
Oui.
Parce que ta vessie, il y a de mauvaises choses qui sont à l'intérieur.
Oui.
Parce que tu manges la connerie, il mange n'importe quoi.
Oui. Okay. What guys? What he says is that the eggs can be eaten. Actually, the eggs can be eaten, but what he's gonna do is like before he want to remove like the skin, he has to boil water and put it inside. Then later on, he's gonna scrape the skin, the skin right here. You see the skin. We call it in French peau. He's gonna scrape the skin, the back, and yeah, that's it, Because if because he says that if you eat it like this, it wouldn't be good because of the, excuse me about the noise, but it is raining right now. I'm talking because it is raining right now. That's why it's here, rain on the ceiling. But he said when you eat like this, it's not good because it's gonna be sanding on it because the skin is so strong. You can hear that from the way he's slicing it. Do you see that? From the way he's slicing it, you can hear that. You guys can see that. I hope you guys can really see the look at. Listen to that. You guys can listen to that, right?
Tu as vu pourquoi je te dis que le varan ne met pas par le serpent. Parce que je lui découpe en même temps, je mets le couteau.
Oui.
Là, comment je mets le couteau? C'est un couteau.
Oui.
Mais quand c'est un serpent, il ne peut pas mourir par le serpent.
Oui.
Parce que le serpent, quand il vient mort, il essaie de serrer, il ne meurt pas.
D'accord.
Il y a un varan qui tue le serpent parce qu'il n'y a pas de sa queue. Quand il tape le serpent, même avec la queue, le serpent tombe évanoui. Le serpent ne meurt pas.
Oui. You see KitukoX, guys? You guys all see KitukoX right there watching at him, seeing how he's doing, the job is being done. Actually, what he said is with the skin, you see the skin like that, with the skin, without his skin, the back of the skin, even the snake cannot penetrate. The poison of the snake cannot kill it because it's so strong. Because it's so strong. That's what he said. That's what he's saying.
Il est dur.
You see how strong? Guys, you see how it's too strong. strong.
That'll take it
Very
time.
strong. About you see how it's so strong.
That'll take it time for it to be that cut itself.
That's it.
He ain't got to rush. He ain't
Là,
got
il
to
faut
rush.
faire ça doucement. Tu ne peux pas te donner pour.
Là, on va tester juste au couteau pour montrer que le serpent ne tue pas le varan.
Ok.
Maintenant, j'ai piqué le couteau pour vous montrer que le couteau n'arrive pas à casser la peau du varan.
Ok.
Il faut le couper, le varan.
D'accord.
Voilà.
D'accord.
C'est ça.
Okay, guys, what he said is that he is doing it so fast because he wants to show you guys that a snake or a viper or a cobra, no matter the size of the snake, can never kill this animal. You know, this fox. I don't know, we call it fox. That's not even the snake that can even kill this fox right here. That's why he was doing it like that. So let's just watch and see what he's doing, guys.
Yeah, they got the tough skin. They're real tough. They're real tough.
Yes.
They're real tough. Yeah, please. That's tough right now.
Là, qu'est-ce que tu as coupé
Ce sont ces ongles que je coupe.
Ok, ces ongles.
Voilà, je laisse la pomme.
D'accord.
Voilà, parce que ces ongles c'est sale, on ne mange pas ça.
D'accord.
Maintenant, les articulations que je dois couper, comme tu vois le poulet.
D'accord. On a une grappe sur le frigo là. Tout le monde voit ça.
Pas du tout.
Dang, it's tough. That's a
Okay, guys, you can see where he's cutting and keeping. So this is the size actually. This is actually the size of it. You know, he's cutting it in a like the size that's going to be eatable. You see that, like this size and this size and this other size.
We eat that too.
Yeah, this is the one. This is how we're gonna eat. This is the one that they're gonna eat. Actually, this is the one that they're gonna eat. That's what it's showing. Guys, look at the tongue. Look at how long it is. You see that? This is how long it is. May I tell? Look at how long it is. That's the tongue. You see that?
That look, they retracted.
That's the tongue of it. You see the eggs. These are the intestine. Big intestine and the other stuff.
So it got that many eggs and so, oh,
Yeah,
man.
it was.
I knew it was pregnant. I knew.
Yeah,
I had a feeling.
it's not about pregnant. They lay eggs. They lay eggs. They
Yeah.
lay eggs.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at how many eggs. So many eggs.
Yo, I knew it. That's pregnant. Oh,
Voilà, il ne mange pas. Voilà, il avale.
Oh, okay. Where did you say?
yeah. Oh, what the hell?
Too much.
Oh, my goodness.
Too much. Too much. C'est bon?
God, oh. Their skin tough as hell, bro. Their skin tough.
That's our homeboy doing the stuff.
Yeah.
He's professional when it comes to these guys. He's professional. It's his job. Y'all see that? Look at the mouth. That's the mouth right. Look at how it is. Open up the mouth and the tongue. Look at how long the look at how long the tongue looks like.
Man, it's amazing. Incredible. What over here is this?
Tongue, guys, look at it. It's just like a newborn snake. You all know a newborn snake. It's just like a newborn snake. It's on top of the fat. Some of you must be asking like, what is this? On top of it, that's a fat. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside.
One size.
Go toss that to the pot. Show it inside.
Okay, you guys. Got the pot and we cooking it. I don't know what the hell we're doing here. All I know is shit going down in here real quick while it's raining outside. It's thunderstorming outside. And hey, see how it goes down. This is how it's going down right here. That's a lot of meat. The slaughterhouse. I'm really good. Let's step back.
Tu as vu la saké, non? Comment saké? Il est devenu noir. Maintenant, c'est la première peau là. Tu as vu, non? C'est la première peau là. Parce que les autres, ils mettent sur le feu. Et là, tu vois comment ça va lever tout de suite là. Maintenant, dès que ça va quitter la poche, il peut mettre les yeux. Quand il va mettre les yeux, là-bas, sinon ça va s'écraser. Quand ça va quitter, quand il va lever la viande, après, je remplace les yeux. Je vais nettoyer la place. Il n'y a qu'un seau, il n'y a pas le bleu. Il n'y a qu'un seau. Comment le seau avec le bleu?
Professional. Hey, c'est bon.
Voilà.
Slaughterhouse.
La bonne viande aujourd'hui, là, le varan. Ah, c'est le varan. Chez nous, on appelle ça un taquet. Taquet.
Pot is cooking, folks. Got it in the pot. We'll tune back in. I'm finna sign off, you guys. We'll be back in a minute, I guess. Subscribe to Amhart and exit Gabon. We out.
peux mettre dehors. Hein?
Ok.
D'accord.
Mais il est high.
Puis, c'est descendu, c'est puis.
Enlève la première couche là.
Si je sois comme ça, regarde, enlève ça, voilà, c'est ce qui est dedans qu'on prend.
C'est good.
C'est tout comme ça.